Investing can be tricky, and even the best can stumble. Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors of all time, highlights common pitfalls that many investors fall into. In this video, we'll break down these mistakes and how you can avoid them. Before we dive in, if you've ever considered investing, the first link in the description will lead you to Interactive Brokers, the platform I personally use and highly recommend for its robust features and competitive pricing. Let go of purchase prices. Getting attached to how much you paid for a stock is a big mistake. Let's say you bought a stock at $50 while your friend got in at $100. You might feel great because you're up while your friend is feeling down. But here's the kicker, those feelings don't matter. What matters is how the company will perform in the future. Just because you bought at a certain price doesn't mean you should hold on or sell. Look at how the company is doing now and what it might do in the future. Focus on what's important and let go of the past. Embrace simplicity. Complicated strategies can lead to disaster. Buffett prefers simple, straightforward investments. They believe that finding companies with solid business prospects is key. You don't need to jump over a 7-foot bar to succeed in investing. In fact, the simplest ideas often yield the best results. Focus on what you understand and avoid convoluted strategies. Investing doesn't have to be complicated. Just find quality companies and invest wisely. Practice patience. Patience is often overlooked in the fast-paced world of investing. Many investors want quick returns, but that's a recipe for stress. Good investments take time to grow. Warren Buffett is famous for his long-term approach. He believes in holding onto quality stocks for years. This strategy allows you to ride out market fluctuations and benefit from compounding returns. So, when you invest, think long-term. Don't let short-term market noise distract you. The best results come to those who wait. Don't try to time the market. Market timing is like trying to catch lightning in a bottle. It's really tough, and most people fail. Warren Buffett never wastes time trying to predict market movements. Why is that? Because the market is unpredictable. You might find a great stock, but external factors like pandemics or interest rates can still affect your investment. Instead of focusing on market trends, Buffett suggests concentrating on individual companies and their fundamentals. Buffett emphasizes that it's more important to identify superior companies at fair prices. Think about it. It's easier to recognize a solid ship than to predict every storm in the ocean. Trust the process, and over time, the right investments will pay off. Beware of overly optimistic growth expectations. We all want to believe that our favorite stocks will skyrocket, but high growth projections can be misleading. Many companies predict growth rates that are unrealistic, thinking they can keep up the pace forever. Buffett cautions against this mindset. Sure, growth is great, but it needs to be sustainable. Expecting a company to grow its earnings by 15% every year is a long shot. Instead, look for companies that can grow steadily without needing tons of capital. Remember, it's tough to find a company that can consistently deliver high growth. So be cautious and realistic in your expectations. Question your assumptions. We all have beliefs that shape our investing decisions, but sometimes those beliefs can hold us back. Challenge your assumptions and be open to new information. Ask yourself, are you investing based on facts or emotions? Are you sticking to familiar stocks because you're comfortable? Growth often comes from stepping outside your comfort zone. Warren Buffett emphasizes the importance of continuous learning. Stay informed and be willing to adjust your beliefs as new data emerges. This mindset can lead to better investment decisions. Avoid over-diversification. Diversification is important, but there's such a thing as too much. Spreading your investments too thin can dilute your returns and make it hard to keep track of your portfolio. Instead of owning dozens of stocks, focus on a select few that you truly believe in. This way, you can dedicate your time and resources to understanding these companies thoroughly. Buffett suggests that if you can identify 6 great companies, that's all the diversification you need. Quality over quantity is the name of the game. Broaden your investment perspective. It's easy to get tunnel vision when investing. You might focus solely on a specific sector or type of investment. But there's a whole world out there. Expanding your horizons opens up new opportunities. Look beyond the usual stocks or industries you're familiar with. Explore emerging markets, new technologies, or even different asset classes like real estate or commodities. This diversity can help you discover hidden gems. Remember, the best investors are those who can adapt. embrace change, and stay curious. The more you learn, the better your investment choices will be. I've researched several investment platforms and recommend Interactive Brokers as a suitable option for beginners. Click the first link in the description to learn more. Think for yourself. Following the crowd can be tempting, especially during market trends. The allure of quick profits and the fear of missing out can easily sway even seasoned investors. However, succumbing to herd mentality can often lead to suboptimal investment decisions. Just because everyone else is buying doesn't mean you should. In fact, some of the most lucrative investment opportunities arise when others are fearful and panic selling. This contrarian approach, championed by legendary investor Warren Buffett, requires discipline and a long-term perspective. Buffett's success stems from his ability to remain independent and detached from market hype. He doesn't let short-term fluctuations or the opinions of others dictate his investment choices. Instead, he meticulously analyzes the fundamentals of the companies he invests in, focusing on their long-term growth potential, competitive advantages, and financial strength. Remember, your investment journey is unique. What works for others may not necessarily work for you. Trust your instincts, conduct thorough research, and don't be afraid to go against the grain. By carefully evaluating your own risk tolerance, investment goals, and time horizon, you can develop an investment strategy that aligns with your individual needs and aspirations. Being contrarian can pay off handsomely in the long run. However, it's crucial to remember that contrarian investing requires patience, discipline, and a deep understanding of the underlying businesses. It's not about blindly going against the crowd, but rather about making informed decisions based on your own analysis and a long-term investment horizon. The hidden costs of doing nothing. Inaction can be just as costly as making poor investment choices. Missing out on opportunities can result in significant losses over time. Buffett often highlights that the biggest mistakes are those of omission. If you spot a great investment but hesitate, you might miss out on substantial gains. Don't let fear or indecision hold you back. Take calculated risks when you find opportunities that align with your investment goals. Remember, time in the market is often more important than timing the market. Start investing sooner rather than later to maximize your potential returns. If you're concerned about your financial security and are thinking about investing, check out the first link in the description. It's the platform I use, Interactive Brokers,